everyone. This is Lisa Sheffer. I'm one of your admins here, and I wanted to show you some a new trick that we've developed for the order lookup tool. Now, this is how you access it. So that's our Start Here page. You know what? We've tried to put this link everywhere. So hopefully you'll be able to find the link to our resources page. This is our resources page from IndriVanilla.com. Scroll down just a little bit, go to Order Lookup. Now this is something that a lot of us are already familiar with. This is the tool that we use when we talk about our individual order lookup tool. On this tool, you can just insert your email address and you'll be able to find your individual orders that you have placed with the Vanilla Bean Co-op. Now this does not apply to IndriVanilla.com orders, only co-op orders. But when you run this search just like this, it will pull up all of your orders and tell you if you've paid, what order you placed, how much you ordered, your email address, your name on it, and your street address. But what we have done now is we have included this button right here. It's the Update Order button. And this will give you a little bit more control over what you placed. So should you look this up and notice over here a typo in your address, or you have an unpaid order that you would like to cancel, you can go to Update Order. Now for this to take place, you will need to create a password. I'd like to note that this is not an account. We are not asking for any more personal information, nor will we require this for if you'd like to place an order or anything. This is merely to protect you and to improve our security so that you're the only one who has any control over your order form. So anyway, the first time you come on here, you'll need to create a password. Now, the password does require authentication from your email address. So the very first time that you will do this, you will be able to create a password. I will put in a fake password right now so that it will show you what you will see. You'll say you can reset the password, or the very first time you will do it, it will say there is no password for this email address. Now you will put in you'll have a spot where you can put in your email address, your name on Facebook, and then a password, and then verify the password. When you fill that out and you press submit, it will come up with a red what's that called? Anyway, a paragraph here that says that it has been successful and that a verification email has been sent to your email account. You will then go to your email and you will have a link from cdsheffer.tech, and you will click that link to verify the password. Again, this is encrypted. We do not have your passwords stored anywhere. This is just a way that you can protect your information. So anyway, you will create your password. You will verify it through your email account. And then you can come back here, and then at that point you'll be able to sign in with the password. So then you can log in. And once you've done that, then you'll see it looks very much like the order status search tool, or the lookup tool that we already have, with a few noticeable differences. The first one over here is that underneath our Square link and our PayPal link to help you pay for unmatched or unpaid orders, there's also, this is only on unpaid orders, but there is an option to cancel your order. So if you have an unpaid order form, you can cancel that. This is really helpful if you accidentally hit submit too many times, or maybe there was a computer glitch or something that caused you to have duplicate order forms. This will allow you to cancel that without needing to talk in a private message to an administrator. The other spot that we have over here on the other side is the address that you can edit. So if you notice that you have a typo in your address and you'd like to correct that, again, you can do that now without needing to talk to an administrator via private message. So what you would simply do is you'd click the button. You do need to check the box and click the edit button. We wanted to do both of those as kind of two-factor verification so that we would just make sure that you really wanted what was happening there. So you'll need to click edit, and then you type in, "Hi friends, this is a test." And then you would go update, and then this gray box will tell you what you've changed it to, and it will say pending verification. Now we will check over this and make sure that all of everything is correct before we go changing anything. But we will verify that, and usually will probably take us a few hours, maybe a day or two, especially over weekends. But then when we verify it on our end and make sure that everything is correct and updated, we will approve the change, and this will change back when you look up either with the order status or on the update order. You'll be able to see that we have verified your changes, and things will go back to just looking normal. All right, so if you cancel this, again, it will be pending verification, and then we just, it might take a day or two tops to make sure that that everything is correct, and then we will update that and it will look normal to you. So that's just one of the this is the new option to help you to have a little more control over your order forms. Again, this is the update order. If you would like to go back to the regular order status lookup, you can just click that simply, and it will just pop you right over to the email address you were already searching for. And as you can see, that change that I made has not been verified yet. So the address here on the order status lookup tool is still the same, and it will remain the same until the change that you made over on update order. If we pop back over there, you can see that it's still pending verification until that's no longer pending verification, but has been verified. So that is just this change that we just recently made, and that's a little information about the update order tool as part of the order lookup tool that we have, the greater lookup tool. If you have questions, feel free to comment in the comments below, or go ahead and ask someone and we'll try our best to explain it in a little bit better way. And good luck, and thank you so much for being part of our co-op.